Welcome to my channel IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class students. Chapter 6 percentages and their applications, and this is part 11. 17th problem. Which of the following is true? 10% profit on cost price of rupees 400 is 50. Like that, four options, four statements were given. Here 10% profit on cost price of 400 is 50. We will calculate 10% of profit on 400. So 100 ones 100 4, so 10 into 4 40. So 10% of profit on 400 is 40. Therefore this is wrong. If loss percent on the cost price of rupees 400 is 25%, then the selling price is loss percent on the cost price. Therefore we can calculate the loss. Loss is equal to loss percent 25% on the cost price of 400. So 100 ones 100 fours, 25 fours 100. So loss is equal to 100. Cost price 400, loss is 100. Therefore selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So that is equal to 300. Selling price is 300. Then the selling price is 300. అంతే కదా 400 రూపీస్ కొని 300 రూపీస్ అమ్మితే 100 రూపీస్ లాస్. 100 రూపీస్ లాస్ అంటే లాస్ పర్సెంట్ 25% అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. దెన్ selling price minus loss is equal to cost price. That is wrong. Selling price minus loss, this is wrong. Profit minus cost price is equal to selling price. This is absurd. So the statement B is correct. So next 18th, the percentage of loss is calculated on dash. Selling price, cost price, market price, none of the above. The percentage of loss is calculated on the cost price. The percentage of loss, percentage of gain are both are calculated on the cost price. Therefore option B is correct. Next, discount is equal to dash. A, cost price plus selling price, that is meaningless. Selling price minus market price. No. Market price minus cost price. So market price minus selling price is called the discount. అంటే ఒక ఆర్టికల్ మీద ఎంత నోట్ చేసి ఉంటారో దాన్ని మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ అంటారు. దానికంటే తక్కువకు అమ్ముతారు. ఎంత తక్కువకు అమ్ముతారు దాన్ని డిస్కౌంట్ అంటారు. కాబట్టి అమ్మిన వేళ ఎస్పీ అయితే మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ మైనస్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ అనేది డిస్కౌంట్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. సో ఆప్షన్ డి ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ మైనస్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్. Next 20th problem. The cost price of a car is rupees 6 lakhs. The car is sold for rupees 5,40,000. Which of the following is true? Cost price is 6 lakhs. Selling price is 5,40,000. So selling price is less than the cost price. Therefore there is a loss in this transaction, and the loss is 6 lakhs minus 5,40,000 is equal to rupees 60,000. So loss is 60,000. Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Loss 60,000 by cost price. Loss or gain percentage is calculated on cost price. What is the cost price? 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs into 100. So 2 zeros cancels, 3 zeros 3 zeros, 6 ones 6 cancel. Therefore this is equal to 10%. Loss percent is 10%. So option A is correct. 10% loss. All the other options are wrong. 21st problem. If an article is sold for rupees 150 at a loss of rupees 50. So selling price is rupees 150 and the loss is rupees 50. Then which of the following is true? All our loss percentages are given. Therefore we have to calculate the loss percent. Here the loss rupees 50. Loss is given. To calculate the loss percent, we need cost price. Therefore, here 150 rupees is the selling price. The article is sold for 150 rupees. So we have to calculate the cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Selling price plus loss. Therefore, selling price is rupees 150 and the loss is rupees 50. Therefore, 200 rupees. Cost price is 200 rupees. Therefore, loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. That is equal to loss is 50 rupees. It is sold for a loss of rupees 50. So 50 by cost price is 200 into 100. So 100 ones, 100 twos, 2 ones, 2, 25, 50. Therefore, loss percent is 25%. Option C, 25% is correct.